Hi friends, this is Shivakalyan and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a water alarm within 30 rupees. If you buy it outside, you will cost it nearly 150 rupees. But here you can make it within 30 rupees or even less than that. I have made some changes to this to also use this as in two more ways, such as you can conduct small quiz between the students, especially in trigonometric ratios, and also you can use it as a percentage of iron mixed in the given metal. So let us start our episode. In this episode I will show you how to make this equipment. The things you need for making this equipment are as follows: an electric buzzer, a copper wire, used agarbatti box, notice board pins, a small switch, 9 volts battery, cardboard sheet, and also a cardboard strips of area 26 centimeters into 2 centimeters each. We need two of these. For detailed information you can check the link in the description. First you need to take the cardboard, that is the used agarbatti box, and measure it as follows. See, this is the equipment I have made. You should keep the buzzer here and also fix it with two screws such that you can remove the buzzer whenever you need it. A small switch here, and you can see the notice board pins I have fixed them here, and also a small metal which can be easily used to detect, and the connections are as follows. Here, for suppose you can see the questions here and answers here, and also we have notice board pins here. For suppose let the answer of first question be this, for suppose this be 1 and this be C, the answer of first question be C. So you must connect this first pin and the third pin of this row with a copper wire in the backward such that it cannot be visible. That is, from the inside of the agarbatti box you should do it. And also after connecting all these according to your questions and answers, you should make a circuit connection with the switch, buzzer and battery, and a circuit must be broke in between and connected to the two of these wires and a small metal pins, such that these metal pins can use to detect the answer. So when I have on my equipment, you can see this metal pin and also the other metal pin. When these both touch, you can listen the buzzer sound. This means that our equipment is ready to use. So you can see that as we know that this pin and this pin are connected internally. When we connect this metal pin to this pin and this metal pin to this pin, the circuit completes, indicating the buzzer sound. That means it's a correct answer. But if a student connects them to two wrong answers, the circuit is incomplete and the buzzer doesn't ring. This is one of the use, that is using it in small quiz programs. This can also be used as a water alarm. You can see in your houses, you fill purified water in buckets or tubs or some steel containers. If you forget to switch off the purifier, so much of water will be wasted and we can say that the kitchen will be full of water. So to avoid this, if you connect these two pins, two wires that are large enough to connect the steel container and also this equipment, you must connect these two pins to that wires and install those wires into the steel container, such that when water level reaches certain quantity, the buzzer sounds, indicating that water level is filled. And also for demo purpose, I have bought a glass of water. See, you can see this, and I have my two pins here. See, you can see them. Yes, and you can see the circuit will be completed as a, you can listen the buzzer sound. See, I have water in this. So when I put these pins inside, the water completes the circuit, indicating the buzzer sound. So in this way this can be used to avoid overflow of water from the steel container, and also it can be used to indicate the overflow of water from tank as well. And the last use, if iron is mixed in the item or substance you bought in the market. So let us test it also. See, you can see a glass here, steel glass, and also these two pins here. And let me switch on the equipment, one second. And now see, when I touch this glass with these two metal, you can listen the buzzer sound. This means that some amount of iron is mixed in the steel glass even. And also let us check it for other equipments also. See, one second. See, now I am going to check the presence of iron in this notice board pins even. See, I have my one of the metal pin here. I am touching the pin with this one of the metal pin and another with the same. You can listen the buzzer sound. It means that even iron is mixed in this notice board pin also. In this way you can check whether iron is mixed in the substance or container or vessel you bought in the market. So this is my equipment. If you like it, please like my video and don't forget to subscribe. Please tell me how is my equipment in the comment section. Okay friends, bye, take care.